have here multiple problems that involve yung compound interest. Okay? So, marami ako ditong solve sa inyo. Next problem, yan. If you deposit 6.5 daw into an account paying annual 8% compounded monthly, how much money will be at the account at the end of 7 years? So, F is equal to 6,500 multiplied to 1 plus yung I na 0.08 annual interest compounded monthly. So, 12. Tapos 12 raised to 12 times 7. Raised to 12 times 7. So, how much will be the amount of money after 7 years? So, that will be 6,500 multiply mo ng 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12. Tapos 12 times 7. Natin. So, that became, after 7 years, 11,358.24 pesos. Next one. How much money do you need to deposit today? Ibig sabihin yung principal na i-invest mo para yung annual interest compounded monthly to have 12,000 in 6 years. So, F is equal to P, 1 plus I, N divided by M, tapos MN. Ang hinahanap sa'yo is P. P is equal to F divided by negative 2 na lang to. So, 1 plus I, N over M raised to MN. Pwede kong gawing negative to, multiply ko lang sa F. Dalawang paraan para makuha mo yung present amount. So, that is yung 12,000 divide mo ng 1 plus yung interest rate mo is 9% divide by M compounded monthly, so that is 12 raised to 12 times 6. So the answer is 7,007 pesos yung i-invest mo ngayon. 0.08 pesos. Okay, meron pang isang technique. Pwede rin naman tong F is equal to F multiplied to 1 plus I, N divided by M negative M. Nasa taas sila. Same lang makukuha mo.